Plug the charger into the power source and switch it on. Wait for the LED indicator to turn green, which indicates ready to charge mode. To change the charging speed or the current, press the touch button on the charger for at least 3 seconds to enter the settings menu. Use the same touch button to navigate and enter into the power settings. Once into the settings, you will see several current options available to choose from. Select the desired value. To delay charging, press the touch button again for at least 3 seconds to enter the settings menu. Use the same touch button to navigate and enter into the time settings. Now select the number of hours by which you want to delay the charging session. Once at the desired value, exit the settings menu. After selecting the desired value of current and time, plug the charger into the vehicle. Please note, all the settings have to be completed before plugging the charger into the vehicle.